Thanks, man.
You know, Merry Christmas from 691 Brothers. You know, give you guys his peace and loving. Yup. You already know who it is.
This is Sam.
I thought we would give you. No, we thought we would give you a video, a cute video at that.
For the holidays.
Yep. For the Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Yep.
Well, let's give it a go.
Alright.
Twas the night before Christmas, and all through the house, not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse.
In my mind, I want you to be free. For all of our friends, would you listen to me? Now hear what I say. We wish you a Merry Christmas to each, to all of you, one of you.
Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright, round young virgin, mother and child, holy infant, so tender and mild, sleep in heavenly peace. Sleep in heavenly peace.
Go on and rest your mind and sleep. Sleep in
Shepherds quail at the sound, glorious streams from heaven afar, heavenly hosts sing
the Savior is born. Oh yes, Christ the Savior is born. What a joyous day. As I sit around by the fireplace, watching the gleaming tree. If I had one wish in this world,
To all our family and friends, I want you to remember this line. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to all of you. And we mean it. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to all of you.
Merry Christmas from the Temptations.